Nestled in the heart of Europe, Slovakia is a land of dramatic mountains, charming towns, and a rich tapestry of history and culture. Yet it remains one of Europe's most underrated travel destinations. Slovakia offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. It's a place where you can wander through medieval castles, hike pristine mountain trails, and savor hearty traditional cuisine. Slovakia is a country that rewards the curious traveler. It invites you to step off the beaten path and discover its hidden gems. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie seeking new culinary adventures, Slovakia has something to offer everyone. Come explore this hidden gem and experience the magic of Slovakia for yourself. Bratislava, Slovakia's charming capital, is a city where history and modernity intertwine. Situated on the banks of the majestic Danube River, Bratislava boasts a captivating old town with cobblestone streets, colorful baroque palaces, and grand squares. The city's compact size makes it perfect for exploring on foot, allowing you to soak up its unique atmosphere. One of Bratislava's most iconic landmarks is Bratislava Castle, perched high on a hill overlooking the city. The castle's imposing silhouette has watched over Bratislava for centuries, serving as a symbol of the city's rich past. Take a stroll through the castle grounds, explore its museums, and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Danube River. Another must-see attraction in Bratislava's Old Town is St. Martin's Cathedral, a magnificent Gothic church that served as the coronation church for Hungarian monarchs for centuries. Step inside to admire its soaring vaulted ceilings, intricate stained glass windows, and the ornate tomb of St. John the Almsgiver. While Bratislava is a captivating introduction to Slovakia, the country's true charm lies in its diverse regions and hidden gems. Venture beyond the capital to discover medieval towns, historic castles, dramatic mountain ranges, and enchanting national parks. Each region of Slovakia offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. In central Slovakia, explore the enchanting town of Banská Štiavnica, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historic mining town boasts a rich legacy of silver mining, evident in its well-preserved Renaissance architecture, intricate town square, and impressive mining museum. Wander through its charming streets, admire its colorful houses, and learn about its fascinating mining history. For nature enthusiasts, the High Tatras mountain range in northern Slovakia is a paradise. Towering peaks, pristine alpine meadows, and glacial lakes create a breathtaking landscape perfect for hiking, climbing, and enjoying the fresh mountain air. Explore the trails around Stróbskie Plazo, a stunning glacial lake, and marvel at the majestic peaks that surround it. Slovak cuisine is a delightful blend of hearty flavors, traditional recipes, and influences from neighboring countries. Based on simple, fresh ingredients, Slovak dishes are known for their comforting warmth and satisfying flavors. From savory meat dishes to rich soups and dumplings, Slovak cuisine offers a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. One of Slovakia's most iconic dishes is brinzové halušky, potato dumplings topped with sheep cheese and bacon. This hearty and flavorful dish is a staple of Slovak cuisine and a must-try for any visitor. The creamy sheep cheese, salty bacon, and soft dumplings create a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Another popular Slovak dish is kapustnica, a traditional sauerkraut soup. This rich and flavorful soup is typically served during the Christmas season but can be enjoyed year-round. Kapustnica is made with sauerkraut, smoked meat, sausage, and various vegetables, creating a hearty and warming soup that's perfect for a cold winter day. Section 5. The Spirit of Slovakia, Warmth and Tradition. Slovakia is a country with a strong sense of tradition and a warm, welcoming spirit. Slovaks are known for their hospitality, generosity, and love of their culture. You'll experience this warmth firsthand as you explore Slovakia's towns and villages, interact with locals, and immerse yourself in their traditions. Folklore and tradition are deeply ingrained in Slovak culture. From colorful folk costumes to lively folk music and dance, Slovak traditions are kept alive through festivals, celebrations, and everyday life. Witness the vibrant folk costumes and energetic dances at a local festival, and you'll feel the pulse of Slovak culture. Slovaks also have a strong connection to their land and nature. Hiking is a popular pastime, and you'll often encounter locals enjoying the outdoors. foraging for mushrooms, or simply taking in the beauty of their surroundings. Embrace the Slovak love for nature by exploring the country's trails, forests, and mountains. Section 6. Echoes of the Past. Castles and Fortresses. Slovakia's landscape is dotted with majestic castles and imposing fortresses, each with its own story to tell. These architectural marvels stand as testaments to Slovakia's rich history, offering glimpses into a past filled with battles, sieges, and royal intrigue. Exploring these castles is like stepping back in time, immersing yourself in Slovakia's captivating past. One of Slovakia's most impressive castles is Spiš Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Perched on a hilltop overlooking the surrounding countryside, Spiš Castle is one of the largest castle complexes in Central Europe. Explore its courtyards, towers, and ramparts, and imagine the lives of the knights and nobles who once inhabited this grand fortress. Another noteworthy castle is Orava Castle, dramatically perched on a cliff overlooking the Orava River. This imposing castle, with its Gothic and Renaissance architectural elements, served as a strategic stronghold for centuries. Explore its chambers, learn about its history, and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding valley from its lofty perch. Slovakia's diverse landscape, from towering mountains to rolling hills and verdant forests, offers a paradise for hikers of all levels. Well-maintained trails crisscross the country, leading you through breathtaking scenery, past cascading waterfalls, and to panoramic viewpoints. Lace up your hiking boots and discover the natural wonders of Slovakia on foot. The high Tatras, with their jagged peaks and pristine alpine meadows, are a hiker's dream. Trails of varying difficulty cater to both experienced hikers and casual walkers. Hike to the summit of Risi, Slovakia's highest peak, for breathtaking panoramic views, or enjoy a leisurely stroll around Popradské Plazo, a picturesque mountain lake. For a more gentle hiking experience, explore the Slovak Paradise National Park. This park is known for its network of wooden walkways, ladders, and bridges that wind through canyons, gorges, and past cascading waterfalls. Hike through this enchanting landscape, enjoying the beauty of nature up close. Slovakia's landscape is a tapestry of diverse natural wonders. From towering mountain ranges to deep caves, rolling hills, and fertile plains, Slovakia offers a variety of landscapes waiting to be explored. Each region boasts its own unique character and charm, inviting you to discover its natural treasures. In the Slovak Castle National Park, delve into the depths of the earth and explore a fascinating underworld. This region is home to numerous caves, including the UNESCO-listed Domica Cave, known for its intricate formations, underground rivers, and impressive stalactites and stalagmites. Venture into these subterranean realms and marvel at the wonders of nature hidden beneath the surface. For a different perspective, head to the Low Tatras National Park, known for its rolling hills, dense forests, and picturesque valleys. Hike through its tranquil landscapes, enjoy panoramic views from its peaks, and discover hidden waterfalls and caves. The Low Tatras offer a gentler, more serene side to Slovakia's diverse natural beauty. Slovakia's rich cultural heritage is deeply rooted in its folk traditions. From vibrant costumes to lively music and dance, intricate crafts and captivating storytelling, Slovak folk traditions offer a glimpse into the soul of the nation. These traditions are kept alive through festivals, celebrations, and the everyday lives of the Slovak people. One of the most striking aspects of Slovak folk culture is the traditional costumes. Each region of Slovakia has its own unique style of dress, with intricate embroidery, colorful patterns, and elaborate headdresses. Witness the beauty of these costumes at local festivals and celebrations, where locals proudly don their traditional attire. Slovak folk music is characterized by its lively melodies, often played on traditional instruments like the fujara, a long shepherd's flute, and the cymbalom, a hammered string instrument. Folk music is an integral part of Slovak celebrations and gatherings, creating a joyful and festive atmosphere. Slovakia, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Europe, offers a unique and rewarding travel experience. From its charming capital city to its picturesque countryside, Slovakia invites you to discover its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Whether you're seeking historical adventures, outdoor explorations, or cultural immersion, Slovakia has something to offer every traveler. Step off the beaten path and explore Slovakia's hidden treasures. Wander through medieval castles, hike pristine mountain trails, savor traditional cuisine, and experience the warmth of Slovak hospitality. Let Slovakia surprise you with its beauty, charm, and the unforgettable memories that await. Slovakia is a country that rewards the curious traveler. It's a place where you can connect with authentic European culture, discover hidden gems, and create lasting memories. Come explore this enchanting country and experience the magic of Slovakia for yourself.